Hi guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. So this is a little bit of a different grocery haul compared to previous weeks. So the first thing I'm going to show you is actually something that I picked up on the way home from work after I'd gone to the gym without planning anything ahead. And it kind of shows you that when you don't have a plan, you kind of end up buying a bit more than you need. But anyway, this is reality and I'm going to go through it here. So I stopped at the grocery store, like I said, and I did end up picking up some shredded cheese. They had some steak and chicken wings on sale, and riced cauliflower, which I'll be using in a future meal plan, and I've stuck in the freezer for now. And also Brussels sprouts, like a large, almost 2 kg package of baby Brussels sprouts. They're not pictured in here, but I did get them. So these are things that I got without really planning on what I was going to do with them. And I will incorporate them into my meal plan moving forward, and I'll show you how that's going to work out. Alright guys, so I'm back again. Now at this point, I've actually gone through and done my meal plan, and the items that I've highlighted here, before I get into the meals we're making, are items that I purchased in that previous grocery trip after work. So I am going to incorporate them into my plan, and hopefully, I don't feel like I bought anything that was something I wouldn't have purchased anyway, as far as nothing like processed or things like that. So these are still food choices that we're happy to be having in our meals, and I will use them either all this week or next week, so it works out fine. But if I'm going to go into the specifics of our plan, like I said in previous videos, I do plan our meals from Saturday to Sunday. So using this budget mom sheet here, I start at the bottom. Now, we're having buffalo chicken wings on the Saturday, and that again uses up those chicken wings that I had bought that were on sale. On Sunday, I'm going to be doing air-fried steak and a Brussels sprout casserole, and that'll be left over, the Brussels sprout casserole, for the next day, where I'll make some roasted chicken legs. And then Tuesday to Thursday, I am going to be making a Thai beef and broccoli coconut soup. And this will be, great for 3 days. It's quick and easy too during the work week to just heat up some soup. And then Friday will be kind of an easy pizza chaffle kind of recipe. So that's what we're going to be making. But as far as what I need to get in order to do that, so again, the items that I've already highlighted there are already purchased in our food pantry, in our fridge and all that. So we don't have to do anything there. I do need to get some butter, eggs, and pepperoni for the chaffles. Dry goods, just our normal liquid water enhancers. I do need to get some more hot sauce to make our wing sauce here, and tomato sauce as well. Now that'll be for, not really a tomato sauce. I'm probably going to go look for something more along the lines of a strained tomato or just crushed tomato, and that will be used for the pizza chaffles. And then for produce, I'm going to be getting some limes, avocados, ginger, mushrooms, celery, green onions, cilantro, and some fresh strawberries. So most of those produce items are going to be used to make the soup. And I'm looking at a budget of around $75. So I'm going to go grocery shopping, and I'll show you what I get as soon as I get back. Alright guys, so I just got back from the grocery store. You can see all the stuff I got here, and I'll just go through it now. We have some really nice strawberries. These were on sale at the store, and hadn't planned on getting them, but they'll be a great addition to our week. 2 bags of avocados, some nice mushrooms, some green onions, celery, and cilantro, and also some ginger. This will be really nice for the Thai coconut soup I'll be making. Some limes, some pepperoni. They had some great deals on steak and a roast, and I got those. Eggs, some butter, liquid water enhancers, and then Frank's red hot sauce, and some strained tomatoes. And that's everything. Alright guys, just to quickly touch base on the impact on the budget for what I got at the grocery store. You can see here, for the most part, aside from the meat, everything was pretty much as expected, aside from a few lower amounts than what I had planned. So I did end up getting more steak and a roast that was on sale for what I thought was a really great price. I'm okay with it. I'm going to be planning those into meals for the following week. So it will reduce my budget for next week, and it will average out to be great. But yeah, as you're looking at the numbers, we did go over budget by about $20. But like I said, we're going to be planning ahead for next week, and that works out, and I think just fine. And also this week, we will be receiving our TruLocal box, and I will be doing a video on unboxing that and showing you guys what I got, and then going from there. So if you like those kind of videos, keep an eye out for that to come. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It does help us out a lot. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. We would love to have you to come back. We do weekly meal planning and grocery haul videos, as well as weekly recipe videos. And I'll link our latest recipe video in the cards and also below, as well as the last grocery haul video if you're interested. So until next time, bye-bye.